What if you could see every ad that your fastest growing competitors are launching? Would that change your strategy? As a marketing agency, you're working with so many different brands, and doing research can be very time consuming. But here in Foreplay, you can see exactly which ads any brand is launching in real time. I can see their latest run ads, right? So any images, any videos, I can play them here. I can scrub through them. I can see all of the metadata, the primary text, the headlines, how long they've been running for, what niche they're in, what platforms they're running on, aspect ratios. I can do an AI analysis, and all of this is hands-free. I don't have to do anything. It's all fed to me, right? I can see exactly how many ads they're launching to. If volume is a big part of your strategy, you might want to know exactly how many ads some of the fastest growing brands in each vertical, in each niche are running. And I can see here that Space Goods have 271 ads running right now. 110 are videos, 61 are images, 1 is a carousel, and 99 are DCOs, dynamic content optimization. And I can also switch to the longest running ads, right? I might not be that interested in the ads that they launched yesterday. We don't know if they're gonna work. It could be a new creative test. But if I switch to the longest running ads, unless Space Goods or any of your brand's competitors are in the game of burning money, we can assume that the ads that they kept turned on are the ones that are working for them. So I can see this image ad here with lots of text in the background, some photography of the product in the foreground. In a use case, right, we can see a scoop on a spoon and then the product in a glass of what looks like water, right? Has been running for 581 days. It was turned on September 15th, 2023, and it was only turned off on April 18th, 2025, right? That's incredible. It was on 581 days. Unless they love burning cash, that ad probably worked. I can also add a filter here to only see videos, images, carousels, DCOs. I can add a filter to filter down languages, and I can also add an active filter to only look at the ads that are still running, right? So if I click that, right, I'm gonna see that this ad is their longest running active ad. That one's been on since December 15th, 2024 for a total of 125 days, right? It's this video ad here. So I can then save that to my swipe file. I could add it to a board to relay to my creative teams to plan our next creative launch based on what's working best for our competitors, right? So huge amount of information here. I can see media mix, the total ads per category. I can see landing pages, which landing pages every brand is sending their traffic to and which ones they're using the most, right? I can see that this landing page was used in 52 ads and 19% of their active ads. And I can also see their top performing hooks, right, in every language, right? Because I don't have a language filter on here. And that is how you can use Spyder to spy on your brand's fastest growing competitors. Thank you so much.